sharpening. When the heck did they start offering knife sharpening? Well, no bug out could use a sharpening, so let's check it out. Welcome to the knife store, where we like to carry all sharp things. What's up, man? When did you guys start doing knife sharpening?
Hello, BCS. Well, since here at Knives and More, where we have knives and more, I have lots of knives, so I decided I should learn how to sharpen. So I'm trying my hand at sharpening, and I think I've gotten pretty good at it. I promise you I'm very, very good at it.
Alright, man, so I just need a quick sharpening on my bug out. Just light rolls and stuff in it, nothing major. Just for the love of God, be very careful. This is an anniversary gift from my wife. I've already busted it up once. Luckily for me, my homie Zach fixed her all up brand new, so I'm trusting you with this.
Have no worries, BCS. You gotta have faith in your good buddy sales guy. Because like I said, we love knives and more. So let me go ahead and throw it on. Just a quick sharpen. You said just touch up. That shouldn't be no big deal. Give me just a few seconds. All right, all done.
Where's the rest of my knife? What did you do, man? Oh my God, I cannot eat. What in the actual... oh. Where did he... Just gonna take off like that? Oh, dude. I don't know why I keep coming back to this store.